Hi, I am Antti Tenetz, artist and naturalist, explorer of art and science. I'm Finnish born and living and working in and between Arctic Circle. My practice led me to the nature in early age. My work relates mainly with the human-non-human relation in nature. Our human presence and actions in natural systems and environment. This builds naturally possibilities for cross-continental or long-distance communication. It also builds up same time possibilities for collaboration. So it comes naturally. It's almost like migration of knowledge, migration of birds, animals. Everything happens through the distances of in planetary scale. So for me, it was not a problem for collaborating with artists like Lucy in the Los Angeles, Californian area, and then artists in Australia. So it becomes totally natural because these phenomena have similarities. They have biological background that has similarities, and they are similar also culturally. How this work that we have been doing relates to this surrogate nature or having nature transplant, in my perspective, is that somehow this kind of surrogate nature is somehow substitute. It's somehow inbuilt for us how we see and understand phenomena in nature. Our sensorium is limited: visual, audio, tactic, are somehow building up this kind of notion of nature. We can also play with the analogy of data in that sense that environmental data sources forms presence of nature, but in different contexts in time and layers than what we humans immediately understand through our sensorium and time frame.